Everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if your MemeFi is not working or opening. So I am going to tell you some solutions and you can try additional settings option and then simply select date and time and then simply toggle the set time automatically. Just turn it off and then turn it on. This is the first thing you can do. After doing these things, simply try to open your MemeFi and see if it works. If it doesn't work, you can do the second thing, is that go to the again settings and then opening the apps and then clicking on manage apps and then simply search here Telegram. Once you do that, simply go to storage and then click on clear data and manage space. After this, simply click on this clear cache option and then simply try to open MemeFi again. And the last thing you can do if any of them doesn't work is go to the Play Store or App Store if you have iPhone and then search Telegram and then simply update Telegram app if there any update available. So if you follow all of these steps, I'm sure this problem will be fixed. So that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.